He's back. We've got Jeff Taylor back, our resident blasting expert from Blast One. Last time, he spoke of the different media used in blasting, their pros and cons. We ended with the secret formula to CFM and room size. Well, I had some more questions about that. We also dig a little deeper into GMA's Garnet product line with Blast One. And finally, how deciphering rest quality first and what it could mean for you before you send out that next resto quote. Now, to get things going, we start off with the bathroom joke and the proper use of Zoom backgrounds at the office. Never mind the noise in the background, that's just productivity as Ross finishes building his big 20-foot oven. Let's get ready to level up your powder coater game.